Fortiva Mastercard features, strengths, weaknesses. The Fortiva Mastercard is a credit card designed primarily for individuals with fair to bad credit who are looking to rebuild their credit scores. Its key feature is its accessibility. It's often an easier card to get approved for than traditional rewards cards. The card reports your payment history to the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This consistent reporting is crucial for credit building. The Fortiva Mastercard doesn't offer traditional rewards like cash back or points. Instead, its value proposition centers on providing a credit line to those who might otherwise be denied. The card comes with an initial credit limit that varies based on your creditworthiness, and responsible usage and timely payments may lead to credit limit increases over time. However, it's vital to understand the fees involved. The Fortiva Mastercard typically has an annual fee, which can range from $49 to $175, depending on creditworthiness. It also often includes a monthly servicing fee that begins after the first year, and a variable APR that is significantly higher than average. Late payment fees and over-limit fees also apply. The primary strength of the Fortiva Mastercard is its accessibility for those with less than perfect credit. It provides a pathway to establish or rebuild credit history, offering a valuable tool for improving your credit score. Responsible usage can open doors to better financial opportunities in the future, such as lower interest rates on loans and mortgages. On the downside, the fees are substantial. The annual fee and monthly servicing fee can quickly offset any potential benefits, especially if you're not diligent about paying your balance in full each month. The high APR means carrying a balance is extremely costly, potentially leading to a cycle of debt. The lack of rewards also means you're missing out on opportunities to earn cash back or points, which are common with many other credit cards. The Fortiva Mastercard is best suited for individuals who have limited credit options and are disciplined enough to use the card responsibly. This means keeping the balance low, paying on time, and avoiding late fees and over-limit charges. If you're able to manage the card effectively and improve your credit score, you can eventually graduate to a card with better terms and rewards. However, if you are prone to overspending or carrying a balance, the high fees and APR could make this card detrimental to your financial health. Before applying, carefully weigh the costs and benefits, and compare it to other secured credit cards or credit-building loans that might offer lower fees and a clearer path to financial stability.